Okay, so my dear student, today we would be discussing the joint ventures. So let us now understand the meaning. So, as the word itself says, venture means what?
A new business or a project.
The opportunities, business opportunities, business organization, the activities. huh. So when you have joined it together with one another, then we call it joint venture. Correct? So if it is to be defined, what you should say, the business organization which desires to join hands with any other business. And why they are joining? Because they want to get the mutual benefit. Mutual benefit means what? That it will be in benefit for me also, as well as for you also, for the other party also. And these two organizations may be of any nature. They can be private organizations, from private sector, from public sector, or even it is possible that they can be a global enterprise, or it can be a foreign company also. So maybe the company is of another country and you are here in the India, so you may join your hand with other one also. Getting it? Now, the second thing which you can write in the meaning is what? When two businesses agree to join together for a common purpose, and they have two things, common purpose as well as mutual benefits, then the joint venture arises.
Yes, sir.
And third thing, it can be of any size. One organization can be very strong, very, you know uh, uh, a large scale organization, and another one may be a very small scale organization or a small organization, and but they both can join together. Now this joint venture may be for a long term, and it can be for a short term project also. It can be permanent, like two organizations have come together, now they will continue forever. And this is also possible that they have come together for a specific period of time, that after some time they will segregate, they will separate. That is also possible. So this is all the, you can use these three things to define what it is, means what is the joint venture. Is it okay? Now here I am showing you some of the examples. This joint venture means what? When two business comes together for the mutual benefit and a common purpose. So these are the two very important things which you should remember: common purpose and mutual benefit. Then it gives rise to a joint venture. How will you define any business organization which desires to join hands with another business for mutual benefit? This will be termed as joint venture. Correct? These organizations may be private, public sector, or it can be even of another country. This is what I said earlier. It means that it is possible that one company of India and another country of Australia, they can form a joint venture. One of private, another is of government. That is also possible. So, right? Or two government owned company can come together and they can form the joint venture. Two private also can come together and they can form the joint venture. So all type of possibilities are there. Is it okay? Say yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And size
Yes,
does
sir.
matter. One can be a very, a large scale, another one can be a small scale. Then it may be for a longer period of time, maybe forever. Permanently they have come together. So it may be long term as well as it can be short term also. Then this is what I was showing you. So this Pauki has identified. Good. Now I want to show you this one. What is it?
It's a third company.
Volvo.
And
Uber.
so what they have started, you have any idea? Uber and Volvo has come together as a joint venture. They are pooling the resources, expertise of each other to achieve which particular goal? Who will tell me? You have any idea?
No, sir.
So driverless car venture.
Aha, true. Self-driving car. So self-driving car you would be given by the Volvo, and this Volvo and Uber has started it together. This is another joint venture, an example of joint venture. Okay, what can you see here? Just read the name. Have you heard this name? What is it?
Sony,
And this is?
Eriscon,
So they have come together to manufacture what they manufacture, or what they are manufacturing.
Phones, Android phones.
Sorry.
Android phones.
Yes, mobile phone, Android phone, correct. So what are the, now again, three very major and important thing about the joint venture. A, they would pull the resources and expertise, their specialization, from two or more business to achieve their mutual benefit, to achieve that particular goal or their common goal, correct. Second thing is that the risk as well as reward, means profit and loss, both of the business would be shared in joint venture, right? And what may be the reason of the joint venture? The reason may vary situation to situation, business to business. It will be different for sure. So there may be one reason that they want to expand their business. It is possible that they may want to develop the new products, or they want to move into the new markets. Like they are doing business, suppose in 5 countries. Now they want to make it in 25 countries. So 20 more countries they want to explore, they want to go. So maybe possible that they will shake the hand with someone else, some other companies in the other country. So that is called joint venture, correct. See, with their own resources, if they are spreading, we will call it global enterprise, multinational corporations. But if they are going in another country, shaking the hand with other people, then we call it joint venture. Hope this is now clear. Joint venture, global enterprise.
yes sir.
Good. Few examples which I have taken. This is a pharma company. They both come together and they have generated, views, waves in the market of pharmaceutical. Second example, which we have already discussed about the Uber and Volvo, correct? You can see here the, please.
Sir, Alphabet is Google's parent company.
Sorry.
Alphabet is Google's parent company. Sundar Pichai recently shifted.
Yes, very true. GlaxoSmithKline has they have teamed up with Google's parent company Alphabet to develop miniature electronic implants for the treatment of asthma, diabetes, and other chronic conditions.
The second example is about the Volvo and Uber. You can see here the business worth, how much it is. Then this was the example which we were discussing, Sony and Ericsson. This was the mobile phone and many more. And then one more example is here, Hulu. How many of you are aware of it? I don't know. Like Netflix. Are you aware about the Netflix? I think all of you. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So same is Hulu, and it is the joint venture of which companies? You can see it here. Correct?
Yes sir.
These are some of the examples, and you can search many more, like Kellogg's and Wilmar. Kellogg's, I think you are aware of.
Yes sir.
You must have seen it.
Yes, sir.
So these are few examples. You may search many more. And this is the homework today, that you please in the Google Classroom write a list of such type of joint venture with a little information about this, as I have shown it here. Now, what is the features, or you can call it even the benefits of joint venture? No? In examination, if it is asked that what are the benefits of joint venture, your answer would be same 6 points. If it is asked that what are the features of the joint venture, you will write the same thing. Just little bit words while you are explaining it will change. So maybe start with the first one. Increase resources and capacity. I request one of you to read it from the NCERT. Then I will explain it. Who is comfortable to read, please?
Joining hands with another of teaming up adds to existing resources and capacity, enabling the joint venture company to grow and expand more quickly and efficiently. The new business pool in financial and human resources and is able to face market challenges and take advantage of new opportunities.
देखो एक तो कहावत है हिंदी में कि 1+1=2 नहीं होते, 1+1=11 हो जाते हैं. What does it mean? अगर एक बिजनेस जिसके पास में मान लो 50 करोड़ का रिसोर्स है, दूसरा बिजनेस जिसके पास 50 करोड़ का रिसोर्स है, इफ दे बोथ कम टुगेदर, दे आर नॉट जस्ट कमिंग विद देयर कैपिटल, they are coming with all their resources, they are coming together with all their capacity also, right? Their managerial skills, their labor skills, and their experience into that business. So they are not going to just make 1+1=2, but possibility are there that they may frame 1+1=11. You agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Second point says that it access to new market or distribution networks. See, there are two companies, company A and company B. So company A is suppose working in South Africa, and company B is working in Asia, and now both companies comes together. So now they will have the access to both the market, Africa as well as Asia. Yes or no?
Yes,
Plus
sir.
their own network, like one has just started say their business, they must be having their wholesaler, their distributor. So all these, whatever they have done till now, the advantage now would be shared by both the companies, correct?
Yes, sir.
Third, suppose they have developed a software in which they are doing their accounting. Suppose they have developed a very unique kind of technology by which they are producing the product. Now both will share. They would have the access to each other's technology. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes,
So
sir.
it becomes a major factor for earning profit or getting more advantage of this. Then comes the fourth point, innovation. What does it mean? What do you say about the meaning of the innovation? Who will tell me? What is innovation?
Sir, to produce a new thing or a new product or an idea for it.
Okay. Is it invention?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Correctly not. 100% no. Invention is what means the thing was not there and someone has invented it. Like when I say that who invented the aeroplane, what is your answer?
The Wright
Wright
brothers.
brothers.
This is what we know, but many people says that it was invented before that in India. There are some such type of proof available. We had aeroplane even before that. How many of you have seen that movie Hawai Jade? Have you seen? So in that movie, this concept has been talked about. No, so we will not go into this debate. That, but just I want to tell you that the thing which was not there, now someone has invented. We call it invention. The things are there, but you made certain changes into it, and you made it available to be used by the people. Then it is called innovation. है ना. जैसे हम बोल सकते हैं कि अगर मान लो राइट ब्रदर्स ने इन्वेंट किया एरोप्लेन को, तो किसने इनोवेट किया यहाँ इंडिया में एरोप्लेन की सर्विसेज को?
JRG Tata.
100% true, correct. So he innovated this, getting it. अब उसी सर्विसेज में हम थोड़ा आइडियाज को चेंज करके, बेसिकली एवरी न्यू बिजनेस इज अ इनोवेशन, बट have they invented everything? No, they have just changed the style. They have changed the way how they people were doing the business earlier. So that is called innovation. And this is too much in case of joint venture. Why? Read the line. Please read it from NCERT. What is written after innovation? The markets are
The markets are becoming more increasingly becoming more demanding in terms of new and innovative products. Joint ventures allow business to come up with something new and creative for the same market.
Hmm.
Especially foreign partners can come up with innovative products because of new ideas and technology.
है ना, हम जिस इन्वायरमेंट में जिस जगह पे रहते हैं, हम हमारा अपना एक लिमिटेड थिंकिंग है, लिमिटेड आइडियाज हैं, लिमिटेड स्कोप है, बट अगर हम बाहर जाकर के किसी और से हाथ मिला रहे हैं, किसी और के साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, तो उनके आइडियाज भी तो हमारे पास आ जाते हैं. तो वी आर इन अ पोजिशन टू इनोवेट थिंग्स. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, sir.
Then the next one is low cost of production. Please tell me why the cost is low. Who will tell me why in joint venture we have low cost of production?
So because if we produce the product from our side, the cost will be 100%, but if another country also company also invest in it, our production cost will be only 50%. And if we get the materials from an international company, the cost of the labor and the raw products can be cheaper also.
Yes, true. I agree with you. So there may be many factors for this. Point number one, you will have a benefit of large scale production. You know, if you are producing one unit, the cost is very high. If you are producing 2, 3, 4, 10, 100,000, the cost goes at a reducing rate per cost unit I am talking about. है ना, जैसे जैसे हम प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाते हैं वैसे वैसे पर यूनिट कॉस्ट घटती जाती है. यू एग्री विद दिस?
Yes, sir.
दिस इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट इन इकोनॉमिक्स कॉल्ड इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? इकोनॉमीज ऑफ
Scale.
स्केल. प्लीज लिख लो यहाँ पे, लो कॉस्ट प्रोडक्शन में इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल के बारे में. दूसरा और फैक्टर क्या, जैसे मान लो कोई फॉरेन की कंपनी यहाँ इंडिया की किसी कंपनी के साथ में जॉइंट वेंचर में है, तो जो प्रोडक्शन करने का काम होगा, जहां पे लेबर की जरूरत ज्यादा होगी, किसी डेवलप कंट्रीज में लेबर कॉस्ट वुड बी हाई, बट यहाँ इंडिया में लेबर कॉस्ट कम होगा. यस और नो? यहाँ
Yes, sir.
पॉपुलेशन, आपको स्किल्ड अनस्किल्ड नॉट स्किल्ड सब तरह के यहाँ पे वर्कर्स मिल जाएंगे आसानी से, तो एक उसके कारण से कॉस्ट घट जाती है. ऐसे बहुत सारे और फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं. जब हम दो लोग साथ में मिलके काम करते हैं तो हम उसमें जिसमें जो अच्छा है ना, जिसको जिसमें ज्यादा इफिशियंसी है वो काम ज्यादा करेगा, जाहिर सी बात है. तो क्या होगा, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन घट जाएगा.
Sir, if both will bear the cost of production, then ultimately for each of them the cost of production will become lower.
वेरी गुड, ये भी एक फैक्टर है. वेरी गुड. So there are many factors of that why cost would be reduced. So you may write 2, 3. Okay. Then what is the last one?
Established brand name.
है ना, आप देखो दो अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूट है, तो एक का अपना गुडविल होगा अपने जगह पे, दूसरे का गुडविल होगा अपनी जगह पे, बट व्हेन दे कम टुगेदर तो एक दूसरे का ब्रांड नेम का फायदा, एक दूसरे का इमेज का फायदा, एक दूसरे का गुडविल का फायदा दोनों को मिलेगा.
Yes, sir.
So what is written here in the book, I want you to read it. Established brand name.
When two businesses enter into a joint venture, one of the parties benefits from the other's goodwill, which has already been established in the market. If the joint venture is in India and with an Indian company, the Indian company does not have to spend time or money in developing a brand name for the product or even a distribution system. There is a ready market waiting for the product to be launched. A lot of investment is saved in the process.
Very true. So is this all 6 points clear, that these are the features and the benefits of the joint venture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this much only we have to study. We need not to talk about the limitations of the joint venture. We need not to talk it separately, the features and the merits. This is all combined together, and in the examination this only would be asked. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now one more form is left. What is that?
PPP.
Public-private partnership.
Correct. So that we will discuss on Monday. So with this, I would say thanks to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.